four-stroke engine is a type of internal combustion engine that completes four distinct phases: intake, compression, power, and exhaust to generate power. In each phase, the piston moves either down or up inside the cylinder, sliding in a precise sequence to keep the engine running. These four movements of the piston, down, and up, make up one complete engine cycle. Let's take a look at each step. The intake stroke is the first phase. The piston moves downward and the intake valve opens, allowing the air-fuel mixture to enter the cylinder. As the exhaust valve remains closed, a vacuum is created and the atmospheric pressure pushes the mixture into the combustion chamber. This air-fuel combination is essential for energy production, and the fuel burns and the air aids ignition. Next is the compression stroke. The piston slides back up and both the intake and exhaust valves are now closed. The air-fuel mixture is squeezed into a smaller space, which increases its pressure and prepares it for combustion. This compression is crucial for creating a powerful explosion in the next step. Now we reach this power stroke. The spark plug ignites a compressed fuel-air mixture, causing an explosion inside the cylinder. This explosion forces the piston down again, generating the energy needed to turn the crankshaft. It's the downward movement that powers the vehicle. The final phase is the exhaust stroke. Intake valve remains closed as the piston slides off for the last time in the cycle. The exhaust valve opens, allowing the burnt gases from the explosion to escape through the exhaust system. This clears the cylinder and prepares it for the next intake stroke. The intake stroke, where the fuel-air mixture enters as the piston moves down. The compression stroke, where the mixture is squeezed as the piston moves up. The power stroke, where combustion occurs and powers the piston back down. The exhaust stroke, where the burnt gases are expelled as the piston moves up again. The piston must slide down, and up to complete one full cycle. This entire process repeats rapidly, hundreds of times per minute, creating the smooth and consistent power that keeps engines running. The four-stroke cycle is efficient, powerful, and key to the function of most modern vehicles. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching.